For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. Itiska TV powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. Hello and welcome to a football weekend. South African teams are in African football. It's the same African football that we say is the reason why Bafana Bafana became so successful. Mamelodi Sundowns are playing, where are they playing Sundowns? Trying to think now. In Nigeria. Orlando Pirates are playing in Congo, the Republic Democratique du Congo. Kaizer Chiefs are also playing in Congo, and Stellenbosch are also in Africa as well this weekend. We are not going to be able to cover Kaizer Chiefs, as you would have seen already from Kaizer Chiefs, that it will not be broadcast. So all of the Itiski TV team will be back on Sunday. At 3 p.m., it will be the Pirates game. At 5 p.m., it will be the Sundowns game. So on Sunday, we'll be back for those matches. However, in this video, I want to discuss an important development. Chiefs have confirmed that their two coaches, Khalil Ben Yusuf and Cedric Kaze, will continue with the club for the remainder of the season. Now, Sakali season, so they will continue for the next 7 months or 6 months. It's going to be a very long slog for them. So I want to find out from Junior whether he thinks that's a good thing. Should they have hired a head coach? Will these coaches be successful at Kaizer Chiefs? Junior, thank you very much for joining us. How are you doing, sir?
Yeah, ngikudoma brother kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ngibulisa uJustice.
Just.
Uthola khona i-teammate yabulindo
Yes, sir.
uShane. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiski TV, fighting no try to fix South African football.
Le team enkulu le angeke bayirobhe njengoba bengenamakhamera eCongo.
Yeah,
Banokudonsa amakhamera bawabeke esayidini, then bakushaya ngama-penalty ayi-3 ku-first half.
yeah man, it's surprising and we can't falter Chiefs. I think the team, their home game.
Yeah, it's their game.
Yeah, it's their game. Why not broadcast the game? They know good badlala na one of the biggest team in the continent.
Yeah.
Why not broadcast? I broadcast. So it's very disappointing.
I can understand it from them ukuthi so kule nto kaCareful ukuthi uma ngabe ungenaso stadium eseGrand kumele uphume kwiprovince yakho uhambe uye kwesinye, so badlala kwi-stadiums bayibiza le ndawo ukuthi iLubumbashi, indawo yeMazembe. So kumele baphume kwiprovince yabo bahambe bodlala kuMazembe. So maybe that's part of it, but they could have done better ukusivezela igame because it's not even their stadium lapho badlala khona nabo.
Yeah, it's disappointing mfethu. Igame engaka singakwazi kuyibona and obviously njengoba ngi-Chiefs there's nothing that they can do.
Yeah.
Their team nje it's unprofessional. Yabona. I mean team like this it's disappoint mfethu nokuthi ba participate kanjani kule tournament. I know maybe they won one trophy there. Team njengale ngoba uyasho baku number 9. They are
struggling in the league.
Yeah, they're struggling. So professionalism, where's the professionalism? Aseke mhlawumbe indaba zasegroundini. Disappointed too much because we were looking forward. Njengami, I wanted to see that game.
Yeah, no, we'll see Chiefs when they come back with second leg. They made an official announcement, the Chiefs, to say that said number 1, Unabi is no longer the coach.
I saw official statement.
That was an official statement. Secondly, sohamba phambili thina kuze kuphela season ngalama coaches now. Now, the question will be, how come did they hire those coaches? Kodwa abantu bakaNabi? Did these guys betray Unabi? Backstab Unabi? Ukuthi normally when they fire a coach, especially from a foreign coach, he will leave with his own assistants as well. Were you surprised by that appointment?
Very disappointing from technical team Kaizer Chiefs. The other coach, Leo Cedric, is ngaphezu umtoliki to Kaizer Chiefs. The other one, I understand, the assistant Kunabi. Now the coach Cedric say become a head coach. Co-coaches, that's what ilento bayibe ngakhona. The way
Two interim coaches.
Yeah. It's surprising fit because Nabi just left. Release Nabi, the same philosophy. Those coaches they believe. Abantu bakaNabi. There's nothing that they will change. Ayikho into nje abazoza nayo iChiefs engayazi uNabi ayenzile. They will continue the way uNabi bekenza ngakhona. Abantu bakhe. That's why he brought international. Akusukuthi they were working country near Kunabi, working with them. I know he used to maybe before, but he came to South Africa, he brought his technical team.
Yeah.
Those coaches they were hired by Nabi and Kaizer Chiefs they approve. So now you release the coach. Each and every outcome bephuma noma ngabe bebadifa bekungasi it was minor probably because whatever Nabi ayenzayo those guys they approved. So mangabu release the coach, two coaches assistant bemele hambe. To me, I don't think they can carry Chiefs. Another wrong thing Chiefs enzayo. It's the biggest plan cool. They will never finish the season those under pressure. It Chiefs hiring those guys basibonisile sibaqala isizini kahle kungala pressure.
Yeah, go there ukuthi at the beginning inkulumo beyithi njengoba angekho Nabi benza kahle laba so kusho ukuthi bona ba right.
Yeah, because there was no pressure on them. They were not co-coaches yet, officially, njengoba beyenza manje. Less pressure. Unabi was there, and then ama-player naba excited. Azange bafake pressure to play as much. When Nabi came back, lesikhathi okay, bayasho ukuthi okay, uNabi kuyaxoxisana ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Nabo they were not too sure because the Chiefs bengakakhiphi statements ukuthi they will become our co-coaches until isizini iphela. Ithe mabakhipha statement manje. Njengoba mina ngisho, I don't think it's a good thing Chiefs lento yenzile. Yes, before Chiefs keep a statement, those coaches we saw Chiefs njengoba bengisho bakhuluma noNabi. They lost games. I think badlwa ama-game ayi-2 if not mistaken.
They were knocked out in the Culling.
Ngisho kanjalo then. Yes. And the Culling, and also they lost if there's a game that they lost.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a game. I can't remember.
They lost 2 if not mistaken.
I'm sure there's a game they lost.
Yes, true. They lost the games. Kula sebaqala ukuvela khona nabo. Bayenza izinto way-2. Chiefs bengakakhiphi statement official ukuthi this is we're going to go with these 2 people. Isizini iziphele as co-coaches. Bese ibonisa ukuthi bayiphi inhlobo kaPende showing play bafaka pressure to players and true man. Tactically how they approach the game, not the way they respond ngakhona emagameni wabo. Unabi.
Yeah, I was about to ask, did you see any difference between Unabi and
Angithi ngiyalapho kulelo point ukuthi I understand the technical team Chiefs yenzana. I don't know what they're trying to achieve. True.
Does that not mean ukuthi Unabi mhlambe baxabane naye management hayi ngendaba zokuthi uyaluza egroundini, but maybe there was something behind the scenes, ama certificate wakhe or indlela aziphatha ngayo, whatever it is, bona management bebanganankinga ngendlela yokudlala ngoba the current coaches are the same as Unabi. Maybe ingxabano yabo nje was behind the scenes, something that we don't know.
Angeke kuhlale kungabi indaba zasegroundini. Yes, kuba nezinto ezidayo, but Unabi angena ku top 8. I know with previous before he comes.
They continued with him.
Yes.
Bamnikeza preseason, bamnikeza abadlali. So I don't think that they minded too much about. Yes, some results they will mind, but why did they give him preseason, sign him players? Kwaqala season naye uthole ukuthi they have a problem with the results because the results were always poor. Last season they were poor. Besides the Nedbank Cup, they were poor. Why did they allow him to start the season?
Yeah, yabona ezengihlale ngisho yabo ukuthi technical team they need to decide bebangekho sure. I don't think bonke bebavumelana ngento eyi-1 technical team Chiefs. Management. I'm talking about the management. I don't think they bevumelana ngento eyi-1. Bekunama division. I can put it that way because with you respecting now mina ngoBrake nabo Botabobs abo Junior but beba divided. I can put it that way because Unabi mawunga-check ama results the West.
Yeah, it's
West.
a poor record.
Yes, ngikhuluma ngesizini yonke. Let alone ukuthi abangena poor.
It's
very.
A poor record.
Not the way team bedlala ngakhona. Not even convincing. So bathe mabahlala. This guy I'm sure him. Mina nje I was sure ukuthi he's not going to come back mina.
Yabo. Yes, at the end of the season.
Ngisho kanjalo bekunama doubts according to me. Not a team they failed dismal. We're talking about last season. Never took out the best out of players. A team bengana redeem. They play high ball, ama crosses. I'm sure now they were frustrated Chiefs. Lost game of vital bengamelang bawudliwe. Mabat babheka keep on bringing these international players. Letha Boliepu, letha bo Miguel. Those players they doing nothing.
Yes, Silva, new signing.
Skele. So Pega, just to tell you Nkulego, bekunama division. Technical team be divided. So now abanye bebathi he mustn't come back.
Yeah, the Nedbank Cup must have added the confusion.
Ngisho kanjalo.
The win of the Nedbank Cup added the confusion. Maybe let's give him a chance. He's going to win another one as
but
well.
They were doubting him. Ngeke all of the sudden aqala bamnike preseason. After a week go.
Yeah, it was not even two
convincing.
2 matches. Yeah.
So they decided some already, this guy we don't want him.
What do you think they're looking at? Because ukhumbule inkulumo ye-South Africa yonke after Stellenbosch, after a Culling knockout, everyone was saying problem leadership. Ngoba bonke bayaphakama, omunye uyale, everyone is going different directions. The goalkeeper coach as well, everyone is meddling. Nalenkinga kaNtwari no Vuma as well. There was a lot of things that were spoken about with the leadership, and everyone agreed in the country ukuthi kunenkinga ye-leadership there. So you have to change those coaches, hire a coach. Why is it that Chiefs management ihleli on the table for maybe 2 or 3 days, but they came up with the decision yokuthi asiqhubeke ngalabafethu bayi-2? But after they were knocked out Stellenbosch, everyone was like, you need a coach. There's no leadership there. Because now they're saying they must continue until the end of the season. that means kuzoqhubeka confusion because it's still the same two guys, and I think the goalkeeper coach is still there as well. So, like, why would they continue with that decision?
Leadership icala ngayi-technical team. Kumele sibe direct and straightforward. The leadership icala nge-technical team. They needed to decide. Technical team chiefs magamba these two coaches. Kumele hambe nabo. Magambo lo Nabi. They were supposed to go. Simple. Immediately make appointment. Yenzile Sundowns that season game, I think 12 games, 12. I can't remember.
Somewhere before December.
Yes, make a change.
Yeah.
They won the league. The coach came, won the league. Immediately, the Chiefs were made a call up for maybe a emergency meeting and tell the coach, with coach, you and technical team, Laban Bako Zenabo. Just go.
Yes, I think Babena a meeting.
Yeah.
But somehow in that meeting, they still came up with a decision. Because after the NetBank Cup, because that was a scandal, that thing. It was a big deal. Kaizer Chiefs fans were hurt. They didn't like it. So, man, meeting, and you still come up with a decision.
Angithi mina ngikhuluma nge-leadership to the technical team, club. They need to decide, babe, stick to whatever decision abayithatha bonke. I-decision bekumele bayenze. Abona njengamanje, mina nginika ama-question mark to the technical team. Angisakhulumeli ama-coaches manje. I'm talking about the technical team management. Raise ama-questions manje ukuthi how come nithathe decision ukuthi let's finish with these coaches isizini yonke. It doesn't make sense to me. Kimi ayenzi sense. Yiyo ngithi ngicela bathathe accountability. They must take accountability because it confuses wonke umuntu in the country, but it's straightforward. The technical team there, it means bona but the technical team themselves are showing whatever they were not too sure ngento bebayenza. I'm talking about the releasing Unabi, leaving these two coaches. Khona bathu Nabi, khona bebathu nabakahlali. Khona ngikhuluma nge-technical team.
Sure.
Khona bebathu Nabi, no, we don't want him. So omunye what I know, Unaba kahambe. Kusale these two technical two coaches, including the goalkeeper coach, but doesn't make sense. Ngoba ayen sense at all.
Who's the leader? Who's deciding substitutions?
That's why I need the technical team still leadership. Mina ngicela from technical. I've got big respect for their family, but the leadership icala ngabo. If they can lead and decide and say, okay, bekumele bayenze anyway. Njoba seba decided with these two coaches. No, coach with the technical team, just go and appoint a coach. Yenzile Sundowns, bring the. You don't have to go Europe. Appoint a coach that has proved himself now in and outside the country, mastermind. General, being in the national team, being there, done that, appoint him. Because on night, that's simple.
Do you think money has anything to do with this decision? Uguti, these ones are the cheaper option. So we are already paying them by 50, by 2, by 3. So we don't have to hire anyone else.
If it's gonna maximize. It's about the technical team chiefs. I think they want somebody that will have some control. That's my observation. Somebody they will say, hey, this is Medwens isn't if you do your own way and then you're out. Because it doesn't make sense a brand like that. Everybody built it for Opera K that has worked for many years for the brand. As in Bantu, they might say whatever they want. I don't care anyway. And even the technical team, ngikhuluma coach, head coach, coach noma banda. I mean, sitholi brand njalo, and I'm sure Prakes works so hard. And I'm disappointed mina na the way benza izinto manje ngakhona because uyangibuza namanje. They continuing good season. I was hoping they would I was hoping maybe they might turn things around by bringing Yenu Pizzo or Roland Gim. I'm sure something goes in one direction. No man winning next, but also in one direction. But now it's going to be worse. Because these guys, I don't think they experience enough to run the brand like Kaizer Chiefs. So goodbye, to be like, I'm unfortunate to become coaches, co-coaches, head coaches of Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think we're ready for that thing.
All right, we will wrap up our conversation in a moment. Just a reminder, we'll be back on Sunday, 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. That will be the CAF Champions League. It will be Orlando Pirates at 3 p.m. Sunday. It will be Mamelodi Sundowns at 5 p.m. Sunday as well. Tomorrow, there's no certainty. No one knows what's going to happen with Chiefs and the broadcast. Chiefs has told their fans that the match will not be broadcast. So, yeah, you can't expect us to be here tomorrow. We can't take any chances because there is no clarity on the broadcast at the moment. Let's wrap it up then. You said at the beginning of this conversation, you don't believe they will finish the season.
I mean, I'm so sure they will never finish the season. unabe uyakhuluma nalabo bantu like it or not. Is still noma ngaba ka input mhlambe obvious nabo bana lesting ukuthi this guy bamnikile platform yes size ngaye let us do ukuthi basinike mhlambe siqhubeke next season but I don't see any changes from those coaches because
Do you think they will go worse than 9th? Because Chiefs have been number 9 for the past 2 seasons.
njoba mina ngishilo mina
They will be worse than number 9
mina
if bayaqhubeka season yonke.
ngiyakuphendula next season angeke baye ku number 9 they will be out of top 8 this year I mean to say ngeke babe ku top 8 this season again it's another njoba ngishilo
3 years in a row.
angithi mina njoba ngisho a lot of fans when I say I didn't see them winning 5 games mina lama game ba winner I said in 5 games maybe they might win 1 but leyo nto yenzeke after sometimes it's not important how you started into important it's how you finish so the way baqale ngakhona obviously bekuna this
It was a
thing
good start.
kumele special izandla but the thing is class is permanent and it's temporary yabona into ene temporary like performance it's something a tempo
Form is temporary.
it's
Class
form
is permanent.
yes class is permanent so the way they started my bavela ukuthi banjani we mele sibe realistic because players that are even ngiyabona ama coach miss I don't think they are good enough to be there some of them yes kunama players that you say maybe 1 or 2 3 that they deserve to be there when I'm talking about Abu Serino I can mention single him out Abu Serino is one of them very top man Mabuya now they brought in Kulbanga international a player that they brought somewhere this boy but not the ready made. He's got the talent. Yeah, he's got the talent, that boy.
Yeah. Hopefully it slots in.
Yeah, Mhlambe, the rest game.
Mayo can make a difference.
Yeah, but not akusukuthi naye for now. Ngoba umfana yes, compared to the strikers that he brought is one of the best to Mayo. But the rest players, kunama question mark ngabo. So it's not only the coach. That's why in a technical team, bekumele bathathe decision fethu bezobasiza. Bezo sustain even the team. Not only this season, we talk about next year, that other season.
Right,
so just we rep.
Last 60 seconds, they have these coaches, and you don't believe they will be number 8 or even 9.
Yeah, I mean number 8. I sit in top 8. They will go to 9. We get pounds. Top 8 this year. I don't see Kaizer Chiefs next year coming back. Those coaches they will not even finish this season.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior Kanye. That's Kaizer Chiefs making the decision that they will continue with the coaches, the same coaches that we were talking about a few weeks ago, that there were 3 of them and there was confusion about who's doing what. Yeah, they're continuing until the end of the season. They looked a little bit positive at the beginning when Nabi was away, and then things unfolded where they were knocked out by Stellenbosch in a game that they possibly could have won. We'll see what happens towards the end of the season. Will they finish the season? Please let us know on the comment section. Please make sure you subscribe and you like our content as well. It is Kative, it is Times, we're also spitting.
Shapunjan bafowethu Kamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi bafowethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.